Also, I'll tell you today which topics are very important where you should focus for the interview point of view and
Yes.
real-time point of view also. Okay, na? So that will be gives you more. I'll tell you today.
I think your mic cut off, sir.
Yeah. Do you see my screen now?
No.
No.
Now you can see my screen, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So I will go to quickly HANA topics point of view, and I will go to the last one. This thing, what is important thing? If I go to here. So recently, also I spoke to so many of my friends, okay, and which are the important things in the going forward as well, okay. Also, I gave two important websites, if you remember. One is jobyard.com, other one is Jagadish and SAP codes. I'll show that as well today. Where you can find a lot of things on the HANA advanced topics and all. But otherwise, see here. I go to so HANA point of view, what they may expect is in the interview point of view. These are topics point of view, S4 HANA. What is S4 HANA? Simplified fourth generation HANA.
Fourth generation.
Bahrain. Just only 1 minute. Just try in the meantime, right? Ask ChatGPT what is S4 HANA.
Okay.
Just check it in the ChatGPT.
Okay.
For 1 minute, I'm here only. सर इधर आए क्या नहीं बहुत दिन हो गया सर इधर उधर में बिजी हो रहा तो सर का ऑफिस दूसरा बिल्डिंग शुरू हो रहा ना Okay. वो आज वो सामने मेरा फ्रेंड आ रहा है इधर से आना वो एक भी इधर मेरा फ्रेंड क्लोज फ्रेंड वो इधर गया So no need to worry much about that new things expectations on a point of view. Okay. But all for all that basic things are this one only, what we have gone through or going through. Fourth generation. Here. And in this one, what is the main things what the people will expect either interview point of view or in the new projects is topics point of view. New ABAP syntax. This as much as possible if you practice right, then it will be a lot of things will be clearer. Very important thing, even for advanced or anything that going through also, this is important, new ABAP syntax. This comes also be called as 7.4 onwards. 7.4 version. ABAP version. ABAP version 7.4 onwards. ABAP 7.4 onwards. So this is the new ABAP syntax. Whatever that, what are the new ABAP syntax? What are the main advantages of new ABAP syntax?
Already simplify the coding.
Main advantage, simplified code, okay, but main technical point of view, new ABAP syntax, CDS views. These three only very important, these two only very important, highly important. So ALB ID is one small area. AMDP also one small, very small area. ABAP managed database procedures. And another is ALB IDE. This is one type of ALB report, that's all. Curious. These are part of our S4HANA topics with respect to ABAP. With respect to ABAP. Yeah. So all these things, right? All these four things has been built on one concept. What could be that concept? Think of. Code push down concept. Remember this terminology. They'll ask in the interviews, code push down concept. Nothing but code to data. 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 This is what they call terminology, SAP people. All these concepts build on this one only. Code push down concept. This one. This one. Everything is code push down only. Okay. What meaning of code push down concept? But it is nothing but
Instead of
yes, yes.
instead of putting data into database, it's read the data from RAM.
So it is pushing complex logic to the database. You can note down somewhere this definition. No? It will give you very good clarity for them if you give this same definition to the database. Complex logic, pushing the complex logic to the database where we explain this. I'm trying to explain this.
Centers. Yes.
But size, I want to expand the size. It
Just
will come
enter,
here.
so just enter, so it will increase. Just yes, sir, enter. In the end, they enter.
This box I want to increase. Box.
Yes, sir.
Box.
It you can continue press enter. It will automatically increase it.
Complete project.
Or press button here, sir. Center.
This button, right?
Yes, sir. To drag. The side also, sir. Side also.
No, this is what I was expecting.
Drag this.
This is what I was expecting. This one only. Go to data. It is pushing complex logic to the database. To the database. Example. Think of example. We can build new fields dynamically. We can use case statement. Okay. And we can use sting operations. Directly on the database using select statements. This is the concept. Okay. Even simple arithmetic calculations also you can do it. That will select statement. What is the advantage of that? What could be the advantage of हाँ? कार नहीं क्लीन चाह रहे क्या? Okay. So what is the main purpose of CDS is? CDS views.
Like, so
Okay.
to like
So
to push
data
the
model,
logic down there.
code push down.
CDS views or
So we use
data models
CDS.
actually. Data models where we can combine more than one table in a single select statement using joins concepts. And we can use this CDS view across the above programs and also the data from CDS views can be exposed to Fiori applications, Fiori apps, and also we can build the Fiori apps using ABAP wrap concept, RESTful ABAP programming model, ABAP wrap concept, and also we can use this CDS view, as API. API means application programming interface. Application programming interface to exchange the data from SAP system to external applications. Okay. Also, CDS views also will be used for reporting analysis, for reporting purpose in SAP BW model, and also using the BEX. I think there's one tool, BEX, using BEX tool, where the CDS views data can be exposed to the user for the analytical purpose. This is important. Okay. ALB IDA. ALB IDA means a simple topic. This is the generation of, this is the building of ALB reports to the other method where we don't need where we don't क्या क्या पल्ली नहीं लगाना कचरा नहीं डालना हाँ हाँ ओके हाँ the bill of ALB report to other is the bill of ALB report, the other method where we don't need any internal table. We don't need any internal tables and field catalog. But we will use the CDS views as source of the data. Okay. So I'll show you one ALB IDA.
So can you just quickly go back so I can just write it down?
This one, huh?
Yeah, just 2 seconds.
Yeah.
It's good now. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. You are taking print skin, huh?
No, I'm just writing it down my notes.
Yeah, yeah. You can. And you can ping me also in the group. Anything notes you are, anything you are missing the concept, right? You can ask in the group. I'll give you also more definitions I can give you, any topic.
Mm-hmm.
I'm very happy to give the definitions.
Thank you, sir.
Because sometimes the simple definition will give the clarity of whole concept. Right? Good my point, right?
Mm.
So
Yeah.
last class, one of my office class, recently only, one of the lady, girl, she completed 3 notebooks. I dictated notes in the class. 3 notebooks she completed. So happy to take the notes in the class. So I asked her, I will take the Xerox about the class and I can give it to you all. Okay, na? So she joined already. She got the project immediately after the training. She is so happy. So I will take that notebook, Xerox.
Okay,
I
sir.
somehow I will take the notes, Xerox. I can give it to you all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? So I asked her. She went to
Okay.
she joined into the Kolkata project from the company. She's so happy to take the notebook notes, whatever I dictate.
Okay, sir.
Just 1 minute, I'll connect the system. Think of what could be the ALV ADA concept. What is ALV? How many ways we can develop the ALV report?
Using field catalog and the
Field
function
catalog is,
model. Function model.
basically ALV. What is the purpose of ALV?
That is user friendly. So drill down the report easily the user.
Basically only reporting purpose. Reports only.
Reports needs. Okay, sir.
Reports. Only for reporting purpose. Reports purpose we use. For all the data analysis and all reports we use. That is one concept is ABAP list VM. So
Okay.
this we can develop. One is using the based on the function model based. Function model based. Example is reuse ALV grid display. ALV grid display. This is one method. ALV
So your
report.
screen is not visible.
Oh, my screen not visible.
Yes, sir.
So this is reuse ALV grid. Okay, this is one method. So other method is no, I understood how to get that one. So I have to press escape. Then when you give escape symbol, it comes these options to expand the size.
Okay.
Here, other one, what is the other one? This is one is using the function model method. What is the other one?
What do you mean by other one?
Hmm?
What do you mean by other one?
What is the other way of doing the ALV reports? How do you develop the ALV reports? This is one way using the function model. What the other way?
Using OOPS concept, sir. That
Correct,
ALV,
Yes, sir.
correct. 100%.
SALV report like.
Methods. Based on the methods. Oops. And the last one is ALV with IDE. ALV with IDE. For a HANA point of view, right? So we can go for ALV IDE. The advantage is you can use the CDS view directly. This is the concept. Okay. Suppose if you use C here, right? So you don't need any field catalog, nothing is required here. If we execute this one, no? Okay, see here. This is ALV report, right? You will get all the ALV features here. Huh? What exactly we are doing here is what is this LO underscore IDA?
So object name.
Correct. Object name. So you are creating the object dynamically. What could be CL, SALV, GUA, table IDA?
Oops, will be
This is the global class.
global class.
We can double click here. Anything we don't understood in ABAP, double click here. You can find out here. And here you have that method. Create for CDS display. This is a method. To this method, you are passing this parameter. How do you know? Double click here. Here see IV underscore CDS view name here. Whatever the CDS view name you pass to, that will come as a data. From this data will come. These are the for exceptions. If anything raises, so it will give this exception. Otherwise, it go to dump. Full screen is one method. This is one way of displaying the ALV report. Okay, here the advantage here is in the CDS view, right? If I go to this CDS view, I go and open this CDS view. Can we see CDS view in SC11 or not? No. No. Okay, so you should go to for Eclipse only. It's coming. I don't want this one.
Wait, so you trying to say something? Can't hear you, sir, by the way. We can't hear you, sir.
One minute.
Okay.
Right here. So to open the CDS views, go to here. You copy paste the CDS view name here. This is CDS view name. Right. So this CDS view you are using as a data source for in the ALB IDE here. You put a breakpoint here. If we execute here now. Right. So you are creating an object now here. So data will come from this CDS view. and that you are displaying using these methods. Okay, so go through this. There is one more concept you can try. CDS view, ALB, ADA with select options. You can try this slightly complex. Try this. You'll get a code. I can give you the code. Try that one. Oh, because it's not works. But anyway, I'll copy in a different way. I can give it to you.
So copying the notepad and after that,
Notepad.
so notepad
Because
to
of
here.
back, no,
Notepad also not possible.
coming. Anyway, I will copy paste from my Windows system. Okay. Or you can search the program name with this name also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Get this one.
Okay, sir.
There is one more select with options. That try it. That one will be very good, interesting. Try yourself. Oh. There is a code. I'll show the code. This one. Oh, not there. I'll give it to you later. So I have in the other node, other system. Oh. These two only they will expect in the ALB ID how to handle the select options. Okay. So the concepts point of view I give, I always say 3 sites, right? What are those 3 websites? Very important websites. One is jobair.com. You go to here, jobair.com. For every ABAP topic, right? This is one of the great site for all the new topics, all the HANA topics. CDS, if you go, there are so many types of CDS which they will mention, both theory and hands-on, they'll give it to you. You can just copy paste and execute. Whatever is possible, what I expect the class, those things is enough. Suppose built-in functions, CDS is how it works, the built-in functions. They'll explain very clearly here, step by step, theory and hands-on. What you should do is you should directly copy paste this code and then execute the output. See the output. For example, directly you can copy paste this. You can create a CDS view. Right click, create new. Data definition. Next, give CDS name. CDS. Built-in functions, built-in functions. So like this, you give the name also while you are practicing, it will be very easy for searching. Built-in functions, say support, 17th August. Serious base, built-in functions. Click on next. Click on next. You here, right? By default, it shows as define view. Choose define view entity. This is absolute. Go to div entity. Click on finish. So you don't need to create SQL view here. Okay. You can create only the view entity, not root view entity. I think no need of a view. Root view entity. Here, directly can copy paste and try to execute here. I think already CL, this example I have given, check it in my notepad. I have given some examples already. So already reference key last class I have given. You can use that one. If you execute, how many columns will come this one? What is after as alias names? Right? If you execute this one. This is the mode of this one. So like this, you copy paste and try to explore yourself. The more you explore, right, the more you'll get a doubts or your logical skills will improve. They explain very clearly here. String operations, so they will explain very clearly. If you do this one, it will be easy for you to answer in the interview. By seeing, it will be easy only.
Okay, sir.
So many things they have given, very copy paste only. Copy paste and analyze. Here, if you go to here, all lot of topics are there here. The CDS views. Go to CDS views. Right here. Also, they will explain here which is we should go which case and all association. So everything you can find out here. This is one good site. And other one is sapquotes.com also. sapquotes.com. It's also a very good site for basic web also you can find here. Not only the HANA. Go to HANA topic. For example, if you take OOAB app, you can find everything in the OOAB app concepts here. So many programs they'll give with code concept, everything they'll give it. What is the class, what is the objects, association, everything. And examples also, not just only theory. Suppose use of main keyword. They'll explain very clearly. Okay, so to go to HANA topics here, CDS, AMDP, right? You will very explain, very clearly will explain with examples. and other side is Jagadish.
Discovering,
Hmm?
discovering about.
Discovering a map. See, already I created a base for you all. Okay, any trainer will create a base all with the concepts and all. Then the participants thinks more to explore and then get more knowledge. We go to here, right? So here you can find out CDSV sub for example. Explain every concept here. CDS stable function, like you can just try it. We don't use that much, but still you can try it. It's not a great thing. Go through it, then you can understand this one. If anything challenge, you can ping in the group while you are practicing. Okay, that's all. I'll stop here. Huh? Stop recording. Huh?